It's too dark in here. It's too dark. I don't think we're getting it. It's dark. I don't know if it's going to come out. You should go put that light on.
What?
Go put the light on. Oh, that's better. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
That is precious.
Oh, this is just
My God, I can't believe
darling.
how beautiful they are. They are the sweetest little babies I ever saw.
Oh. Oh. I know. See, it starts off as a love fest, and then before you know it, they're going to be like rolling around fighting. Oh.
My God, they can't get enough of each other.
I love that, though, don't you? Isn't that great? Isn't that just so beautiful?
They are the most adorable two little kittens I ever saw, I swear.
Hey, Spence.
They are so cute.
Got enough? JC. Moosh Mouse. Moosh Pie.